Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry. Today is Friday, July the 1st. The time is 2 a.m. GMT. We are looking at the chart of the AMD right here. 45 minutes chart. We ended with 2 in the intermediate degree, and the stock has extended on the downside. You can see the move is impulsive on the downside, 1, 2, and then now 3, 4. Now should be looking to finish with 5, and then that should end with 1 of 3. Should be rallying in 3 ways, but fell below 88.6 and continue to go down. So we continue to favor on the downside, and any rally should fail in 3711 swing right here against 88.6. Now let's take a look at the daily time frame, larger degree. Now let's put some labels here. This is the 2, and this is now is within the wave 3. So if this is the 2, then this should be your 1 here, right? But I think what's more important here is to see where we are. Now we make all-time high 165. We have already retraced more than 50% now, $76. If you look at this drop from the all-time high, right? Now there are, let's see here. If you take a look at the RSI, you can see there is a break of the channel somewhere here, right? Somewhere here. So that will be your connector from the peak because of that break. And so you got a lower low from the peak, and then this one is your connector. And if you measure the extension from here, now you have a potential target here between 68 and 29. I know it's a very big area, but this is not to say we know what the level is, that it will bottom. No, that's not the purpose. The purpose actually is to show that the sequence is still incomplete with the minimum target of 69, and that will be in the minimum because we can go all the way down to as low as 29. Probably it's not going to go there, but that's the area. Okay, so what happens then is, at least in the shorter cycle, we know that this is not over to the downside, so we do like to continue the short side in here, right? We like to continue to stay on the short side, and any rally that we see in the stock should continue to fail in 3 swing or in a 7 swing and continue to extend to the downside with a minimum target of 69, and possibly can go lower than that. Alright, so that's what we are looking at with the AMD. And if you do want to get regular updates on AMD or any other stock ETF, Forex, commodities, cryptos, we do have 14 days trial, and the link is provided in the description of the video. So I'll see you all again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.